Spain.
Okay, so that's where we're going.
The
Okay,
Crocker art.
and we're gonna see the Horowitz collection, and mostly it's gonna be the era of
Horowitz?
Louis,
Yeah,
Louis the 16th, 17, and Louis the 18th. Okay, it's a French king.
Yes, that's correct. Louis the 16th, 17th, and 18th were French kings. They played significant roles in French history, especially during the Revolution. Enjoy exploring that fascinating era through the artwork.
Okay, I think so. We are going to enjoy that. Yes, that's our friend told me that. Okay.
So must be true.
Okay. One more questions. I just ate kind of heavy lunch, and do you recommend to go to the museum right after I eating, or just better wait?
Faster than AI.
Yeah.
It might be better to wait a little after a heavy lunch before going to the museum.
Okay.
A short walk could help you feel more comfortable and enjoy the art more. Listening to your body is key.
Okay. We got the advice.
We did do a short walk to the car.
Oh, we did. We did the short walk already to the car. So I guess we are okay. We're ready for the museum then. What do you think about our conversation?
It's good. It's pretty intuitive.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm glad to hear that. Your conversation is flowing nicely, and it's great to share your excitement about the museum. Enjoy your time there.
That is fantastic. Well, we have a discount, I believe so, as senior citizens.
Really?
That's what I hope for.
It's just means you're not Asian. That's what
Hi.
Oh, it's okay what you wish today?
Yes, it
Sweet.
is.
Yeah,
Is that for 3 adults?
For 3, yeah.
Can I have a zip code for you guys?
Yeah. Do you have the
9.
senior citizen discounts or
No,
not?
it's pay what you wish today.
Oh, I see. Okay, I didn't hear you.
95831.
Okay.
Perfect. You guys are all set. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Would you
Okay.
do you wish to contribute?
Yeah,
today?
contribute something. It has to be here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have cash.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Yes. Appreciate.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Awesome. Good day to come.
All right. Fantastic.
Here, you decide since you're local.
I don't know. You follow you. You know how to start. I might paint something like that.
Wayne Thiebaud's painting two-seated figures showcases his signature style that blends elements of realism and abstraction. Created in 1976, the artwork features two figures seated side by side against a vibrant, colorful background. Thiebaud is known for his use of bold colors and thick application of paint, which gives his works a distinctive texture. In two-seated figures, the figures are portrayed in a somewhat ambiguous manner, inviting viewers to contemplate their relationship and emotions. The juxtaposition of colors and the playful, simplified forms reflect Thiebaud's fascination with everyday life and his ability to elevate mundane subjects into art.
That's a favorite, right? So the beauty collide with brutality, and this is representing that. Going to a second floor. Yes. This was in a very short video. You guys spent some quality time with me at the Crocker Museum in Sacramento. Okay, ciao.